Hi, I'm Eric Blumthal with LocknCharge. What we've done is automated the manual process into a self-service kiosk where a process that could take 5 to 30 minutes and involve up to 4 people now is a student going to a self-service kiosk and accessing their loaners on demand. So in this situation, I'm just going to say I need a charger. I need to charge a device. I'm going to authenticate. It'll find an available bay. And I open up the bay door. I'm going to put in my phone, plug it in, maybe my Chromebook, plug it in. And that bay is now inaccessible until I come back and retrieve it. And I'll do that right now. So that's a quick example of the self-serve kiosk. There's a lot of configuration and options that we can explore for you. If you're interested, go to LocknCharge.com and set up a consultation with us.